Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Diesel Fuel Filter Set. This diesel fuel filter set works exclusively for just the Ford Super Duty pickup truck from 2008 to 2010 when equipped with the 6.4 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. This includes the F250, F350, F450, and F550. Again, when it is equipped with the 6.4 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. What a diesel fuel filter set does is it screens out dust, rust, or other contaminants that may be in the fuel before entering the system of your vehicle. And should those contaminants run through your engine, serious damage could occur. And over time, while this part is something that you look at during scheduled maintenance, should you be having fuel pressure issues or hesitation while accelerating, you may consider replacing your filters. While this replacement fuel filter set is not a genuine OEM part, it was designed to have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish as it is a direct replacement part. However, this kit does come with two new O-rings, and both of the filters have redesigned filter elements for maximum filtration. With the right tools, you may be able to install these yourself. However, make sure you depressurize and drain the fuel in the filters prior to replacing, and then pressurize them for a few minutes before starting your engine. Should you not do that, you could end up with some serious starvation problems. If you have any questions about this replacement diesel fuel filter set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.